So the purpose of this video today is going to be to talk about tags inside of HappyFox. And we're going to have to jump around to many sections inside of here because there are two types of tags inside of HappyFox. Those inside of individual tickets themselves and those inside of our knowledge base. The good thing is this can easily be managed from one central location. So if we'll go up here to our menu, and in the second column we'll scroll down to Manage. And I'm going to select Tags right here. You're able to manage your ticket tags and your knowledge base tags from this very section. Now, in this way, ticket tags are those that your agents tag a ticket with when a ticket comes into the system, if they recognize certain properties of it, or perhaps something is auto-assigned with our smart rule technology. It can automatically assign tags to a particular ticket as well. If that's the case, then that's the type of tags that we're talking about here. So you can also add new ones. They don't have to be added by agents. You can add them directly into here and manually create new tags into the system. And if you want to modify or merge or delete existing tags, you're able to do that from any one of these over here. For instance, if I wanted to take network tags and I wanted to merge them with the internet tags, I would be given that option to do so right here. Now, it'll also notify me just exactly how many tickets will be retagged based on my actions. So, it's going to give you a warning that you are making a change that's going to affect other open tickets. Is this something that you want to do? So, that's the options that you have within there. Within the knowledge base tags, it's a similar concept, but these are those that go out to the knowledge base articles that HappyFox hosts for you and the tags that you and your team have set there for each individual article. Hopefully to help people when they're researching things to find other items of interest or potentially find what they're looking for via tags. So the exact same properties are available here. You can rename, merge, detach tags, or even delete them and add different ones here in the system if you like. Now I'm going to take you back into HappyFox itself to talk about where these tags are located, how they're used, and what their purpose is. First, I'm going to talk about ticket tags. We're going to go back to the ticket view field that I started out with here. And I'm going to go into this particular ticket that is in progress, as you see. Over here in the right-hand column, if you scroll down, you will see the tags that have been associated with this particular ticket. This one has had the password reset, network, internet, and outage tags associated with it. If your help desk agent wishes to add additional tags, it's very easy to type them in there and you can create a brand new tag that way, or you can search for existing tags that are in the system so that you can use those that are already there. So this is where ticket level tags are located. Knowledge base tags, on the other hand, are over in the far column. Let's go to the fourth one, down to the knowledge base, and we'll go into the articles section of that. Knowledge base tags are used at the article level to help people surface things that they might be researching in your knowledge base. So I'm going to go into and I'm going to edit a particular article right here. And you will see down here, once the content of the article itself is right here. And if I wanted to edit and add tags to a particular article to help other people surface it if they're searching for certain things, this is where I can do so right here. And so once I add that tag, when I go back into the knowledge base, that would then show up as being a part of this particular article, which would then allow people to search for that inside the knowledge base as well. So with this, we've gone over tags. We've talked about ticket level tags and knowledge base tags. Thank you very much for your time.